They get worn pretty bad, huh?
Well,
same thing as like my shoes. They're falling apart.
Yeah, but he custom made a lot of those shoes. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he'd get online and pick the colors and everything that he wanted.
From Nike, or?
Absolutely.
They let you customize them?
Yeah, absolutely.
Interesting. Free couch. Free. You guys got a lot of traffic at this sale, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy. How much is your fiber optic tree?
$2.
I'll do that.
Okay.
It's pretty cool. It's coming. Halloween's coming.
I had a witch.
Did you? She sold?
Yeah.
Yeah, Halloween's coming.
It's cute the way it lights up.
It's neat. See what else you got here. Can sell that probably.
You want all of them? Or just whatever?
Panasonic fondue. It's pretty cool. I have a power cord. So is this battery powered?
No, it
Oh, there you go. How much is that?
10
10.
fondue pot with the thing and the fondue forks.
It's pretty cool.
People don't know much about that
And then
anymore.
these sit on top,
That was
yeah.
my parents, but it works.
Take 7?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can't pay full price. She's not convinced I'll ever use it, but $7. Oh, what the heck happened to that single? Someone's pen exploded on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
people do, you know, well, I think there's probably recipes. Yeah, there's recipes
Yeah,
in
it's soups, desserts. You can do chocolate in it, I'm assuming.
there. Yeah, I'm sure.
That'll be what my kids want to do.
Oh, yeah, that'd be good. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Is that like a bottle maker?
It makes the form, in other words, you put the dry formula in the top.
Oh, that's kind of handy.
Oh, yeah.
Does
That
it
was my
warm it?
daughter's. Yeah, it warms it, everything.
How much is that?
I think 25.
I might be back. Wait, let me see your books. Always got to look for some Stephen King. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm in the car comping that bottle maker. It looks like it sells for 75 to 100 pre-owned. There's 96 free shipping. The shipping would be expensive. 75, 15 shipping. So 50 plus shipping. Oh, well that's, yeah. I mean, I don't want to pay 25 for it. Maybe I'll ask her if she'll take like, I'm gonna drive up there. See, she'll take a little less. Maybe she'll take 20. Would you do 20 on it? On the bottle maker?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We'll do it. Just call me back again. Oh well.
Great.
It's mine now. Alright. Thank you. Morning.
Hello.
This is cool. This is just like a decorative piece?
Yeah, I think it might have been like a
cool.
book stand.
I like it. It's pretty cool. Can you do 4 balls at once? 4?
Oh, 4, no.
Only 3?
No.
Can you do 4?
I can't. I can only do 3. It's like a totally different ball game if you want to do 4.
Yeah, the pattern's different, right?
Because you got to do like 2 in each hand
Yeah, yeah.
simultaneously. Is this Tad Moore? No. What is that thing? A magnet?
It's a practice swinger.
Oh,
Weighted on the end.
It's
interesting.
weighted, and it holds your grip in a specific place.
Ah,
And when you're older, especially,
okay.
it helps loosen your back and shoulders.
Let me see. Oh wow, it's heavy.
You get
Wow.
your grip exactly right, like it's supposed to be.
Who makes it? Is it just generic? Or is it like from a company?
Something my dad used a lot.
Hmm.
He would use it, and particularly in the morning when he's getting ready
To loosen up, yeah.
loosen up and
Yeah.
get his twist in there. He wasn't as well. I'm not very flexible either. But he
No,
was less than me.
I'll take that too. I think that's kind of cool. All right, cool. Thanks, guys. It's heavy though.
Yeah,
All right, have a good one.
makes a good weapon too.
Yeah. Hello.
That pair of shoes, you're taking those shoes over there?
Carpet shampoo system by Kirby. I need to look at that. Could be good. Pretty close.
The whole shebang, 45. 2 of them are never used, it's got tags on them, so I'm gonna put them on Craigslist on here, 'cause I looked them up on,
Kirby. Would you take 8 for this? 10.
$1 for anything in there.
$1. Mire tú.
$1.
There you go. Thank you. Little hidden garage sale here.
Yeah,
Is it in and out?
in and out.
Okay.
Everything must go.
Everything must go.
Make an offer.
Okay. All right. What do we got here? Have you had a lot of people?
Yeah, actually, for
Okay.
an impromptu.
Did you just do the sign out front or did
Yeah.
you Facebook it? Oh,
Well,
really?
I posted on Facebook
Yeah.
a little while ago, like, oh, I probably should put this out there.
Yeah. Probably should let people know we're doing a sale.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, I mean, you're in a good spot though, because a lot of people drive right by.
Exactly.
So it's
exactly,
like,
yeah.
they get worn pretty bad, huh?
Well,
Same thing as like my shoes, they're falling
yeah,
apart.
Yeah, he custom made a lot of those shoes. So
Oh, really?
Yeah, he'd get online and pick the colors and everything that he wanted.
From Nike or
Absolutely.
they let you customize them?
Yeah, absolutely.
Interesting.
Yeah, Christmas and birthdays, so he has more shoes than I do. Get rid of some of them.
What is he selling them for?
Oh, we'll just make an offer. Basically,
These ones aren't bad. Yeah, these ones pretty good shape, really. I do 5 on this pair.
yep, absolutely.
You said yep too quick now. Which means you might take 2 each on the beat up pairs.
Go for it.
So 9 total?
Yep,
Okay,
works for me.
I'll do that. That's cool that you can do these crazy
Yeah.
colors.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find something for $1 to round out the $10.
There you go. The gag gift is the brush with no bristles.
Oh, for a bald person, I get it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm not so quick on the uptake.
It's okay, yeah.
Yeah.
The gag gift to my husband.
That's
one year.
fair. Is he losing his hair?
Oh, yeah, a long time ago.
It's gone.
Long time ago.
De-icer. It's really random bits and bobs.
Totally random.
Yeah.
Yep.
50 cents a piece on these. That brings it to 10.
There you go.
The driveway is so long though. Gotta go all the way back with all this stuff. Is this a camera? No.
Just the bag, yep.
You selling any video games?
No, not today. I think those are long gone.
Yeah. It went to another place.
Yeah.
What is this? Oh, this is the cord.
Yeah, so remember when you had to strap the movie onto the back seat?
Yeah.
There's 2 of them.
In like a minivan and stuff
Yeah.
for the kids. Yeah. Okay.
So we never did the minivan thing. We just had SUVs, and so we would strap them on the
Gotcha.
back seat.
Yeah. Well, that's the way to do it.
Yeah.
What are these shoes? Active Arch
Never worn.
Life Stride.
Never worn.
Oh, and I dropped everything. Would you allow me to take this box?
Please, yes, I was gonna suggest that actually.
Yeah. I added these shoes and this. Would you do 15 for everything?
That sounds
We were at 10, so
Yep.
5 for all that.
Yep, wonderful.
Very cool. We'll see how much of it actually fits in here.
Let's make it work.
Yeah. I got a whole new shoe collection.
There you go.
I was gonna get the Buns of Steel, but I decided to pass. I saw you had Buns of Steel Advanced too, so you can kind of go through the whole Buns of Steel
I know,
process.
you totally can.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed those yard sales with me. I did a lot of shopping, not necessarily a lot of winning today. I did get some cool finds, but not a ton. I think probably the best find was the baby Brezza, which I think is up on my top shelf there above that TV. I did comp that right in the car and saw that it sold for 80 on the video, so you kind of already understand that that was a nice profit. I paid 20 for it. At sale was definitely the best because I also got the spooky Halloween fiber optic tree, and those cool fiber optic animals and trees like Halloween or Christmas themed can do pretty well. That one does look like it sells for right around 35 or 40 on eBay. And so yeah, about $100. Oh, that fondue pot I got there as well, which also looks like it sells for around 35 or 40. So even though that sale was super crowded, this whole video was shot late on a Saturday, I think almost 11 o'clock, maybe 10 o'clock. I can't remember exactly, but it was later in the morning for yard sailing hours in North Carolina, because yard sailing hours in North Carolina are very early. They often start as early as 6, and usually they start to die down at like 10 or 11. But yeah, so it was later in the day. And that sale had been picked over by like hundreds of people. Like I actually skipped it because there were so many cars at it every time I went by it, and it was in a community. And I still hit it at the end, and I still pulled out like over $100 in profit there. So that was pretty surprising. But yeah, it was pretty good. And then I went to another sale where I got this crazy horse thing from like Chess. That's what it reminded me of. I just got it because I liked it. I don't think it's really worth anything. I was just like, oh, I can't leave that thing. I'm a big fan of Chess, so I just had to grab it. And then I got this Kirby vacuum system. I paid $8 for it. It's a little high. I shouldn't have paid that much. The lady's prices were crazy at that sale. She had like eBay comps written out and stuff. I wanted to buy something. It was late in the day and I wanted to buy something. I bought it for $8. It will sell for like $25. So questionable purchase plus shipping. So I'm not going to lose money. I will make some profit, but not a great buy. Hit up that last sale, which wasn't advertised, but it did have a sign out front. And she did say she got a lot of traffic even without any sort of advertising. And I got these shoes. These shoes were not in great condition. The red ones were in decent condition. These are all Nike Zooms. She said that, I mean, these ones are slightly different. So I'm not like a pro on the shoes. I need to look them up a little bit. I might just even, they're the Hyperfuse. I might just auction these because they're in meh condition. But she said they were custom made on Nike's website. I figured they had to have some value, but I haven't looked them up yet. So you figure the crummy condition ones, I'm sure I can get at least 15, but maybe they're worth more. You guys, you sneaker pros, tell me, maybe they're really valuable Nikes. And then these, I figured they must be worth 30 plus because they're in really nice condition. And if they fit me, I'd probably just keep them. But they're a little too big at a 11 and a half. I'm a smaller footed fella. And then I got 2 pairs of these, what are they? Lifestride Active Arch. I did see a sold comp for around 20 bucks on these. So I could probably maybe get 20 each on those. So that's 40. This goes for like 8 bucks. I paid 50 cents. Got some goggles for my kids. You know, so a lot of little items. The first sale was definitely the best, and the shoes might be a little hidden profit that I don't even know about yet because I haven't comped them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Check out NC Flipper, my other channel, to see what everything sells for. We'll go into more detail on what these eventually are worth once I get to them. I've just got a really big backlog of unlisted right now. That whole entire shelf is unlisted inventory, as is this whole table. So a little overwhelmed with the inventory, so I just haven't had time to comp everything, but I still hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.